Today I'm cooking crispy fried fish for lunch. It's very simple and stay crispy even after cooling. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 650 grams of tilapia fish, clean, washed and cut to serving sizes. 4 tablespoons of Gogi tempura flour. This is what it looks like. Any brand of tempura flour works as well. 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, half tablespoon of salt, and 100 ml of cold water. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Sprinkle the salt on the fish and marinate the individual pieces. Rub it all over the top, inside the stomach, around and inside the head too. Alright, the fish is marinated. Leave them aside. Prepare the oil in the pan for deep frying. Switch on the heat. Set the time for 10 minutes for the oil to reach the ideal temperature for deep frying. Next, make the flour batter. Put the tempura flour in the mixing bowl, corn flour, and rice flour. Mix it until they are all well combined. Add in 80 ml of cold water and mix until smooth. This consistency is too thick. We want a thinner consistency for the flour batter. Add in 20 ml of water and mix again. Now the consistency is much thinner and perfect. Leave it aside. After 10 minutes, dip the tip of the pair of wooden cooking chopsticks in the hot oil. If there are bubbles forming like this, it means that the oil is very hot and is ready for deep frying. Alright, the oil and the flour batter are ready. Dip the fish in the flour batter. Make sure the whole piece is coated with the batter inside out. Use a spatula to support the fish and place it in the hot oil. Take another piece of the fish and repeat until done. Do not stir or remove the fish until the bottom is cooked. This is because the fish is currently stuck at the bottom of the pan. If it is removed, it will surely break and damage the fish. Once the bottom is fully cooked, it will separate from the bottom of the pan and come out in one piece. This takes about 8 minutes on one side. Set the timer for 8 minutes. There is a bit of flour batter left in the bowl here. Drop it in the hot oil as well. Otherwise, it can be discarded. After 8 minutes, the fish should be cooked and separated from the bottom of the pan. Use the spatula to gently nudge the fish. See? Once the fish is cooked, it's easy to lift it up like this. The pieces of fish are stuck together when frying with batter. Furthermore, adding in more batter at the end encourages them to get stuck. Use a pair of scissors to cut the batter and separate them. Okay, all separated now. Turn each piece of the fish to the other side. See? It's cooked perfectly and looks so crispy. Continue to cook for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, all the pieces are well cooked, crispy and golden brown. Take them out from the hot oil and place on a strainer. Then, rest them on a cooling rack for a few minutes to drain out excess oil. Now the crispy and delicious deep fried fish is ready to be served. Let's eat! Yummy! It's so crispy from the outside and inside is soft and tender. I like serving mine with cucumber and tomato. So good! Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!